one is so complicated. It's been raining almost every day. And my tiny umbrella is about to break. Ask for a big glass of wine and they give me this huge tub of wine. More the merrier. Okay. So, I'm trying to get some stuff from my local supermarket. It's cheaper there. I needed milk and some bananas and stuff. And this wasn't the bag it came with. I had everything in this. And it was raining, so it got wet and it ripped in the middle of the street. And this came from somebody in the local shop. She asked the owner if he can lend me a bag. And there was this other lady who helped pick up everything, and they were so nice. I mean, contrary to popular belief, most of the people I met in France have been nothing but lovely. Okay, what am I eating? Cheesy glob, yay!
What are you doing here? At your keys. Well, see you down there.
We're in the underbelly.
Tastes like health.
There is a gift shop, I've been informed.
That's my light source. And enjoying my Brittany Broski time.
Just a quick disclaimer. The following few videos have absolutely no context, and it's just me walking around Paris saying whatever the frog I want. So, enjoy!
Oh, hello. For some reason, this is what I imagined Pittsburgh to look like. I thought it was dessert. I'm disappointed. Give me dessert. Where's dessert? Not McDonald's. McDoner. Butchering the chickens. Yep. Oh my god, blue skies. Thank God. Into the Musée d'Orsay. For no particular reason, just wanted to do something for the weekend. And I really need to go to the bathroom. The line is pretty long. 자세 너무 불편해 보여. He's sick. Hope he feels better. Now I guess he's dead. Marvel's not Swiss lady. Oh. 엘라스틴에서.
I'd spent around 2 hours at the museum. Although I didn't plan this, it was right around lunchtime, so I was really hungry. So I didn't do any research, just dipped by some restaurant right nearby and ordered a bao bun. Now, I made this bao bun a few weeks ago at home, and honestly, my version tasted better than this. After that, I walked over to an Asian food market before heading off to an early dinner. Now, this was predominantly more of a Chinese food market, so I saw a lot of items that I wasn't accustomed to.
I always wanted to get one of these. Omelette de poisson. These are fish balls. These are crazy. Look at this. Like, you can kill someone with this. Medium hot, mild. Medium hot. So many people. Wow. I'm open to trying anything today. I don't know anything about Peruvian food. We'll go find out today, won't we?
I ended up going to a restaurant called La Escondida, which means the hidden one. I don't speak Spanish, but I think they were saying that this place is a hidden gem, and oh boy were they right. I was planning on going to a local Neapolitan pizza place, but it only opens at 7 p.m. and my hands were shaking from hunger by 5 p.m., so I couldn't wait. This was a quaint little restaurant, and all the customers seemed like regulars. The owner seemed pretty surprised that a random Asian girl walked in, but anyway, the owner first served something called mayo de Peru, which tasted like toasted salted peanuts or popcorn, and then the long-awaited arroz con pollo. Now, this was by far one of the best dishes I've ever tried as of late. Like, see my face? You'll get to see my face soon. The singular wrinkle going down my forehead was just a signal of how good this was. The rice was filled with warm spices and the juice from the chicken. And the chicken, my god, I had to pull up my sleeves, pull my hair back. Like, I needed to get ready to get into this one because it was so good. The chicken was the tenderest, juiciest chicken I've ever had. Look at that. Look at how that just falls off the bone. The pearly gates to heaven have opened. And yeah, this is the side of potatoes that came with. And there was also red onions and tomatoes. And the acidity from that balanced out the richness of this meal perfectly. So yeah, those were the leftovers. And I was for sure taking it home. And they had homemade empanadas, and I can't skimp on those, can I? 맛있어 보이지? And I bought your favorite! Yay! Show some enthusiasm, man.